Hello, I'm Steve Clemens, Vice President of Life Markets, and thank you for your interest in URL Insurance Group's Final Expense Program. In just a few short minutes, I'll present URL's competitive advantage in the final expense market that will help provide direction and increase sales. So what we're going to cover is, again, our competitive advantage, the product offerings, the lead program, our marketing tools at URL, our Gemini partner program, and conventions. So why URL? What's our competitive advantage? Well, we at URL have a blueprint for success. Whether you're purchasing leads to build your final expense book of business, tapping into existing book, or utilizing other proven sales strategies URL offers, we have the carriers, products, and marketing solutions to be successful in the senior market. Part of that success is our partner carriers. We have a great variety of partner final expense life insurance carriers, as you see here, with competitive pricing from level benefit to guarantee issue that will help you be successful in this marketplace. At URL, we also believe in competitive compensation. As an agent with URL, you receive vested commissions day one. You have a 6-month or a 9-month advance on your monthly paid business for qualified agents, and of course leads. So our lead program, we have leads in a number of fashions. We have a free lead program. We also provide a subsidized lead program and leads to purchase. So let's review those in a little bit greater detail. Our free lead program. So our free lead program is going to require proof of production to get into a system where you're getting free leads on a monthly basis. We want to see a minimum proof of production of $5,000 of minimum paid monthly production, and that's on annualized premium, of course, to get qualified into the program. What you're going to receive is a defined lead territory. So you're going to let us know the county or counties you like to work. We're going to provide you the leads in that area. And the leads are exclusive and never shared. So we're not going to be providing you those leads and then either reselling those or giving those to another agent to work. And your compensation with a free lead program where URL is paying for your leads is going to range on a level benefit from 70 to 80% for first-year commissions, plus you get renewal commissions, and your commissions are vested day one. Our subsidized lead program works a little differently. You're going to receive a higher compensation for the subsidized lead program. Commissions, depending on the carrier, on level death benefit final expense products are going to range from 100% to 120% first-year commission. You'll receive, again, renewal commissions and vested commissions day one. So at the end of each month, you're going to get a subsidized lead credit based on your production. So that could be any amount. If you do no production, obviously you don't have a subsidized benefit for that given month. If you do $5,000 of annualized paid premium, you will receive, outside of what we call our Gemini partner program, a $250 lead subsidy credit to help pay for your leads. If you're in our Gemini partner program, if you do the same $5,000 of annualized paid premium, you're going to get a $400 lead subsidy. So what you get is in the Gemini partner program, an $80 lead credit for every $1,000 of annualized paid premium. If you're not in our Gemini partner program, you receive a $50 lead credit for every $1,000 of paid premium. We'll talk about our Gemini partner program in just a couple minutes. And again, same thing as our free lead program and the subsidized lead program. Leads are exclusive and never shared. You have a defined lead territory, but in the subsidized program, we're not requiring proof of production. We're essentially awarding you for the business you do, providing a high first-year compensation and giving you additional money to help purchase leads and keep you successful and writing business. So we don't have a minimum production and no proof of production required to go into our subsidized lead program. And for those who just want high quality final expense carriers at a top compensation, but are not interested in the lead program, but want to purchase leads from time to time, that's available too. So we have direct mail leads you can purchase. Currently, they're at $450 per 1,000. We have direct mail at a fixed cost per lead. So that's a $28 per lead cost. We do request a 20 lead minimum order on direct mail at the fixed lead cost. And just to put that into comparison, many areas in the country are getting a 1.2, 1.3, 1.4% rate of return on final expense mailers. So when you look at the total overall cost of a per 1,000 piece order, if you only get a 1% return in your area, you're paying $45 a lead. We can fix that cost at $28 a lead with our fixed cost per lead program. We have targeted demographic lead lists. So if you want to target an area and just have a lead list for a calling list, scrub through do not call, or a mailing list, or just a list of names and addresses of people in your area that meet that income and age demographic, we can do those for as little as $75 per 1,000. And we have a telemarketed lead program where you can order as little as 10 leads at a time. Lead costs are going to range between $12 per lead to $19 per lead in our telemarketed program. I will say lead costs are subject to change due to obviously increase in postage and everything else. So that is a current cost for the leads. URL, we want to give you marketing tools to help you succeed. So when we're not in our office, our website is available 24/7. You're going to have agent sales materials on the website, consumer approved materials on the website, at URL's website to gather, as well as the companies you choose to work with. But on our website, you'll be able to find agent guides and rate sheets and prescription drug guides and PowerPoint presentations and consumer brochures, memorial booklets, things like that. If you're in a pinch on a weekend or after hours, you can access that information. We also have a quoting tool for final expense on our website, so you can look at some rates from different carriers. We'll provide webinars, seminars, and one-on-one training throughout the year, and access to URL's knowledgeable agent support specialists here. So I talked about the Gemini program. What is the Gemini program? Well, you earn more and you get more when you're a Gemini partner at URL. Our guarantee, if you go into the Gemini program, is earning the best compensation. So we don't expect you to transfer a contract to URL from another FMO if you're not going to be well compensated and get the services that you desire. So if we can't match or better your arrangement with another organization, then you can still have access to the Gemini program, and you won't be obligated to transfer that particular contract. So really, what is it? It's a partnering program designed to benefit and reward you, the independent agent or agency. How it works is simple. If you're rewarding us with your business and the grand majority of your business, we want to reward you. So if you write business with an insurance company that URL represents and you're going into our Gemini Partner Program, then we ask you to place that business with us. That may require releases from existing contracts you have with another FMO. And if there is a need to place business with a company that URL does not represent, then there's no expectation that you place that through URL. So if it's a company we don't represent and you represent, we're not telling you or demanding that you stop writing that business. You're an independent agent or agency, and that's your prerogative. We only care in our Gemini program about the carriers that we represent here at URL. So some of the benefits you'll receive as a Gemini partner agent: you have exclusive quarterly bonuses. So for your non-final expense business, whether it's term or UL or traditional whole life or annuity or single premium life, if you're in the Medicare market or the group markets or other markets that we represent, we have quarterly bonuses by department. So if you're in the Gemini Partner Program, you're writing business outside of that final expense market, you're going to receive Gemini bonuses for the business you write on the other lines as well. We also provide, as I mentioned before, an enhanced lead benefit for Gemini agents in our final expense program. Non-Gemini agents on the lead subsidy program get $50 per thousand that they write for leads. Gemini agents get $80 per thousand for the business they write. We also provide free E&O for our Gemini partner agents. We have an annual retreat, and we'll do personalized yearly production reports. Charitable match, we support causes that are important to you and your community, so we have a charitable match for our Gemini partner agents as well. Write business with final expense and URL and see the world. Our past carrier conventions have included things like an Alaskan cruise, Disney, Hawaii, Ireland, Jamaica, Mediterranean cruise, Monte Carlo, Switzerland, and more through our partner carriers and final expense. For our Gemini partners, we have an annual retreat. This year we'll be at the Salamander Resort and Spa in May 10th through the 12th for our Gemini partner agents who are producing business here at URL. So those are unique, exclusive networking and fun events for our Gemini partner agents. URL is going to provide you onboarding support, get you the supplies you need, the product underwriting training you need, or lead ordering for you, and much, much more. When you license with URL, we'll be happy to snail mail you the contracting, email you the contracting. You can simply go to our website, urlinsgroup.com. To get the contracting paperwork, you would go under the department heading, drop down, then click on licensing and contracting, and you will see the first option is the flash contracting packet. 9 out of 10 of our carriers are on the flash contracting packet, where you can simply click and choose the carrier or carriers you want to appoint with. So we're not, if you need 5 companies, that flash contracting paperwork will essentially cover those 5 carriers all in one package instead of sending you 5 different licensing packets. Makes it easy and simple, especially, let's say, 3 months from now when you've already completed it and you have to add a new carrier. We're not going to ask you to complete a whole new packet. We're going to send you a quick email confirming that you want that carrier. You confirm, and then we get you appointed. Very simple process. Any additional information you need from us at URL, please don't hesitate to call. We look forward to earning your business. Again, I'm Steve Clemens, Vice President of Life Markets. You can call myself with any questions and inquiries you have on our final expense program and life markets in general. Or you can also reach Matt, Alina, our agent support specialist, for any additional questions or support, or Joey Fry, again, for questions, support, and quotes and underwriting assistance. When you appoint with us and you start writing business, you will have a dedicated case manager, Rosemary or Rachel, and our licensing person here at URL for life and annuity is Judy Warner. She's been with us going on over 30 years, so we have a great experienced staff that is going to assist you with your business, and we look forward to earning that and doing our best for you. Any other questions, please give us a call. Thank you for your time today, and we look forward to servicing you in the near future.